This is a prayer for humanity. This is a prayer for the great spirit in the sky, whatever name you want to give it, for the Creator, for the soul inside all of us, for the planet, for the entity of planet Earth that holds us and helps us in this position of growing today, through this process of cocooning that we find ourselves, through this planetary suffering that has chosen to be for us right now, through this process of healing that we've taken, and we want it or not, and was ready to heal. We are tired of the bullshit of the planet. We were tired of being selfish. We were tired of all the things that just don't match the soul of our hearts. We all want to be good. We want to be one good, united humanity on this planet. We no longer want to destroy it. We no longer want to do harm to our brothers and sisters. We want to be one humanity of love. So much gratitude for this experience. May it not be fun. May you find yourself lonely. May you be suffering. May you be sick. May you be dying. Let's accept it all. Let's surrender to it. Let's accept the tears. It's part of the process. May it help us grow. We're here to grow. Let's help one another in any way we can to go through this process. Let's find more love in our hearts for ourselves, for others, for every single person, maybe your lover or your enemy, somebody who's insulted you, somebody who's lifted you up. Love for everyone, but most important, let's love ourselves. Let's love ourselves so much that nothing else matters. Let's love the moment of being alive. You are here right now. You are feeling good, no matter what inside your heart. And if you're feeling bad, if you're crying, that's good too. It's a teacher. It's medicine. We will get out of it. Let's have faith. Let's have hope. Let's have surrender for a moment. Let that fire of pain make you a bigger, stronger human that comes out of it like a butterfly that loves everybody no matter what, because we've united in this process, in this situation, may it be fun or not. More gratitude for everything happening to us right now. Yes, we have stress, it's okay, but we can find this peace inside our heart. Because everything is meant to be. Everything has purpose. You have purpose. We're here healing together. So let's accept the healing. I want you to heal. 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 Let's heal together. Let's do this together. Let's struggle together. Let's love together. Let's come out of this one united, loving humanity that no longer destroys the earth, that loves the animals, that loves the trees, where money is not so important because we've learned that we can still survive without it, that we will still be there, and that people support us and we support us. Much gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Gracias, 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 gracias. More love, family. More love to you. More love to me. I love you, brother. I love you, sister. You got this. I believe in you. You're strong. Let's do this. Aho! Ouch, 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 ouch.